So I was telling you regarding this play tree, and I told you that it is a version, or you can see it is somewhat clear to your binary tree. And we have different operations that can be performed on this particular play tree. So you can see for different binary trees, we'll have different operation, that is search, insert, delete, and so on. We have different operation. Now in splay tree, as I have told you, there will be an extra operation that is called as a splay. Now what exactly is splaying is that, for example, if you have this tree 10, 7, 1, 9, 20, and 30. So if I have to search an element, say 7, then what will happen in a normal binary search tree is that it will move towards the left, and then further it will move towards the left. Let us say that I have to search 7. So I'll be checking the value of the root, then comparing if the value is less to be searched. So if I'm searching 7, so I'll check if the value is less than 10, then it has to move towards the left, and then I will search at this particular point that 7 is there. But in case of your splay tree, you need to also perform the rotation. So what happens in rotation is that we have to shift this particular node, that is node number 7, as a root node. यानी हमें कैसे परफॉर्म करना होगा, जब हम लोग इसको स्प्ले सर्च करेंगे, तो देयर विल बी searching of a particular node. Also there will be a splay that will occur. That means you're going to rotate this particular tree. So in other words, when you want to search 7, it will become somewhat like this. 7 will become the root node. Then will be your 10. Iska child 9 ho jayega, 20 and 30. That means also we are doing the rotation function over here. Now there are different scenarios by which an element can be searched. As you can see, even in binary search tree, there were different ways in which there were different scenario in which an particular element to be searched was there. The first scenario in this case can be a root itself. That means over here, if I see, I have to search 10. So this can be a scenario. The second scenario can be the child to be searched has only one parent and no grandparent. So element to be searched has one parent, yes, ma'am, but no grandparent. The third scenario can be the element to be searched has grandparent also, right? The situation can be that it will have the grandparent also. So let us first see the simple in which it has only the parent. So if you can see, if this is a scenario, this is a scenario we're talking in which 7 has only a parent. So in that case, if you have to search this particular node, that is node 7, what we do, we just push it up as a root node, and then we search this particular node. It can be either to the left or to the right. So similarly, if the situation is that the node is to be searched is towards the right, so 10, 7, 1, 9, 20, and 30. If I want to search, let us say 20, then what will happen? This 20 will become the root node, and this rotation will be there. So I'll be rotating it in this way. This is when the node to be searched has only one parent, there is no grandparent. So first situation, if it is a root, we don't have to do rotation. Second situation, when there is a only parent but no grandparent, then this is simple. We just have to do the rotation. This rotation is called as a zig rotation or zag rotation. It can be zig left, zig right, or it is also called as zag left and zag right. Okay. Now the next situation is when you have a condition to be searched, that is, it has a parent and grandparent. So for example, if I have to search, say, okay, now if I have to search 1, this is the element that I need to search. So I'm writing here, I have to search 1. Now in this case, this one node has parent as well as grandparent. So in that case, what I'm going to do, पहले मुझे ये वाला rotation करना होगा. With that, 7 will come at the top. So in other words, you will get a situation in which 7 will be at the top. Towards your left will be 1 and -1. And towards your right, now when I'm pulling this up, making this as root, 7 as the root, then naturally 10 will move towards the right. So this will be 10, this will be 9, 15, 13, 7 and sorry, it's 20 and 30. Right? But still it has not become the root node. Again, I'm going to make it as a root node. तो मैं इसको फिर से rotation लगाऊंगी. So it will be 1, -1, 7, 9, 10, and so on it will continue. So you can see I need to get this particular node at the grandparent's position. Fine. Now there are, for this particular types of rotation, as I have told you, there are different cases that occurs, isn't it? So I was talking yesterday in which X is the node, P is the parent, and G is the grandparent. Okay. So I was talking that the case can be X is the left child and P is also the left child. I'm talking regarding now the third situation in which you can see the element to be searched has the grandparent. So in this case, the node that is there, it can be either towards the left of the left child, or it can be left of the right child, or it can be right of the left child or right of the right child. So accordingly, you can see over here, आपके 4 सिचुएशन आएंगे कि आपका चाइल्ड लेफ्ट है और उसका पेरेंट भी लेफ्ट है, या आप जो नोड सर्च कर रहे हैं वो लेफ्ट में है और पेरेंट राइट चाइल्ड है ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का, और एक्स इज टुवर्ड्स द राइट एंड द पेरेंट इज टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट, और एक्स इज टुवर्ड्स द राइट and parents is the also right child of the grandparent. Now the case 1, when we consider, we have X is the left child of the parent and P is the left child of the grandparent of the child X. So here if you assume the numbers in this way, 30, 20, 10, then 5, 12, 25, and 35. Now, whenever I want to search this X, let us say this is my node to be searched. That is node number 10 I have to search. Now this has parent as well as grandparent. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to do the operation in this way. There will be a rotation that will be performed such that the node to be searched will come at the top. Now the remaining operation is same as a binary search tree. So what will happen when I do first rotation? 10 will come at this point and 20 will move up, right? And 30 will come towards the right. So it will be somewhat like this. 20. Since the first rotation, I'm going to pull this up. Then it will be 10, 5, 12. This 20 when pulled up, 30 will come towards the right. और 35 उसका नोड जैसे के वैसे रह जाएगा. That is the right child of 30. But towards the left, 25 will be added. We have seen this rule in a binary search tree also. Now again, if you see, we need to pull 10 because we are searching the value x, which is the 10. So when I pull 10, 10 will become at the top. This will become 5, right? Because I'm pulling this, 20 will drop down towards the right. So it will be 20. Since you can see 12 is the right child, I'll be attaching 12 at this particular point, remaining 30 and 25, 35 remains the child of 30, right? So we have taken when there is a condition left of left, right? Now the condition can be X is the right child and P is the left child. So let us see how it can be. If the same situation 30, 20, 10, 25, let us say 22, 28, and this is 40. Now let us say that I have to search 25. अगर मुझे सर्च करना है 25 को, अब क्या है, ये राइट चाइल्ड है किसका, आपके 30 का. So if you consider this as a grandparent, this as parent, and this as X, then it is the right child of the parent, but the parent is the left child of the grandparent. So in this case, again there will be rotations that will be occurring. Now, in this case, I'll just write down what is the main thing that you need to remember. X should become the root node. Then G becomes, that is the grandparents will become the right child of X. Then left child of X becomes right child of parent. Right child of parent. And these four steps you should remember. Right child of X becomes the left child of G. ठीक है, देखो अभी X should become the root. That means if I have to search 25, 25 will become the root, right? After that, it is saying that G becomes the right child of X. ठीक है, तो G आपका right side में आ जाएगा. So in this case, this will become 30. Then this will drop down. Now 25 has come up. Left child of X. अब X का left child क्या है? 22. Becomes the right child of parent. So parent will be here. It will become, the left child will become the right child of the parent. And this left remains as it is. Then the remaining elements, right child of X. इसका right child क्या है? 28 है. Becomes the left child of grandparent. So this will become the left child of grandparent. And 40 remains as it is. These are the few steps that you should note it down and you should remember. that the node to be searched becomes the root node. G becomes the right child of X. Left child of X becomes the right child of parent. Right child of X becomes the left child of the grandparent. ठीक है? Now also, if the condition is that X is the right child and P is the right child of grandparent. P is right child of grandparent. And this is the right child of parent. And the given condition is that you have 30, 20, 40, 35, 50, 45, and 60. Now if I have to search, let us say 50, which is towards the right side. I have to search 50. So I'll highlight it that I have to search 50. Now your 30 is the grandparent. This is the parent and this is X. Now we'll do this particular operation in which it will be a zigzag rotation. अब क्या करेंगे, इसको हम ऊपर ले लेंगे. This will become the root node, right? 50 will become the root node. Then 40, which was the parent, will now become the left child. The same thing over here, which is written, the only now right child of X becomes the right child of P. In this case, it is a left child we have to consider now. So this will come 40. आपका right child 60 हो जाएगा because 50 was having the right child as 60. 40, that was the parent, will have the child of this particular X. So this will become the right child of 45. Then the grandparent comes here. It has the left child of 20 and the right child will be the parent's left child will become the grandparent's right child now. So it will be in this way. Fine. So this will be the situation. Similarly, if you have the case 4, that is X is the left child and P is the right child. So if you have the condition in which 30, 20, 40, 25, 22, 28 and 50 is the condition. And let us say that I have to search 25. I have to search 25. Now in this case, 25 will become the root node. So 25 आपका टॉप में आ गया. अब जब मैं 25 को टॉप बना रही हूँ तो 30 आपके लेफ्ट में आ जाएगा. 30 का लेफ्ट as it is we are going to keep, that is 20. But 30 का right will be the left child of your X. So this will be 22. Then 40 का left will be the right child of your node to be searched. So this will become 28. Right? So this is how splaying occurs, in which whatever node we are searching, we will take it at the top. Right? Now, this condition occurs only when you have the third case in which you have the grandparents for a particular node to be searched. Now, it may not be necessary that the grandparents will always be the root node. It may happen, it may not be the root node. So accordingly, we need to apply and make the node as the root node to be searched. Okay. The another name for splay tree is a self-adjustment or adjusted tree. It try to adjust itself and make the node to be searched as the root node. Okay. Now let's come to the